is up, guys? It's Lewis coming back with another video. We are back. Me and Anthony are right here. We're in his garage because we are getting ready to install something. I'm going to flip the camera. I'm not going to say anything, and Anthony is just going to give you a brief description of like everything we're doing to his car right now and just the outcome of it afterwards, what we hope for. So I'm going to flip the camera right now, and Anthony's going to tell you a little bit more about the modification he just got for his IS.
Hey, I just decided to buy a intake, you know.
You just pulled the trigger?
Pulled the trigger. I was like, you know what? Why not?
Yeah.
So I went with the Injen short ram intake.
So without further ado, guys, let's just get right into it. Let's open it.
With that polished.
Ooh. Is that titanium? Nah. It looks very nice though. It looks very,
it's like
very
a little buff. It kind of looks like little sword marks.
Yeah.
A little buff. It's not that bad.
Yeah, but you can peel this off too.
Oh, it's probably just like the plastic.
The protective plastic, but you guys can see like it's pretty clean.
And they got the factory freaking the sensor.
So it does come with the factory little hole right here to plug in the sensor, one of the sensors I believe, so that's also always good, so you don't get a code that pops up on your dashboard if you don't have that. So it's good that it has that. All right, that yeah.
And then we got
the filter, of course, pretty small. I have to admit, you might want to upgrade that filter, bro, just because like it's a pretty small filter, guys.
I thought it was bigger too.
Yeah, I did too. But it looks cool. It has, what does it say? Spider on it. I guess that's like their logo.
I guess. But, Injen.
It's short ram, right?
Yeah, short.
But we got the clamps. What else? There's instructions, hoses,
more clamps, hoses,
all of the little miscellaneous things. Oh, they had that.
It came with a heat shield.
Oh, that's awesome, bro.
I didn't even know.
It did. Yeah, I didn't know.
It didn't say it. It just said.
Yeah, guys, in the picture, like Anthony showed me, it doesn't show that it came with a heat shield. That's pretty epic.
Yeah.
That's pretty epic. Even in the picture, bro, you can't even see. Oh, it goes over the headers.
Oh, it goes over the headers?
Yeah, but that sucks because you just put OBX headers.
Nah,
in.
I probably just
you wouldn't want to hide those.
Nah, I probably just buy the, what you call it?
What?
Like that thing that you put over the filter. It's like a shield.
Just make like something.
Hydro shield.
Just make like something custom, bro. It's cool that they sent the heat shield or heat deflector, but I don't know. It's up to Anthony if he wants to install it. I personally wouldn't, but I mean, if you want to fool somebody, you could install it, but the sound really won't fool anybody. So guys, we're gonna pull everything out and just piece all of this together, and once we figure it out, we're going to catch you guys up in the video, and we're going to basically show you how to install an Injen short ram intake on your LEXUS IS300. To access the end of the stock airbox, you're going to want to pull your cover off if it's not already off. Basically, that's just 10 mil 4 bolts. Then there's a 10 mil here on the airbox here. And also there's a 10 mil down there. Take a Phillips head and loosen this to disconnect the box itself. And finally, there's a couple plugs. There's also this one that goes into the airbox. I think there's only 2. You unplug those and you should be able to pull this out. After, you're going to want to take a Phillips and loosen this so you can pull this whole entire rest of the piece off, and I believe after that it should be freed loose. So what Anthony's going to do now is take a Phillips to that so we can just pull this nasty stock airbox out. Darling, you send me, darling, you. If you do want a stock airbox, I will leave Anthony's information in the description and you can pick it up. But guys, take a look at these OBX headers. It's pretty cool. The ones in the rear, they're like a bronze neon, and then the ones in the front are like neochrome. honestly, personally me, I wouldn't hide these beautiful headers that me and Anthony put on. Like, I wouldn't put that heat shield right here, because with that heat shield here, it's preventing heat from getting to the intake, so you wouldn't be sucking hot air into your engine, but you also can't see your beautiful headers. So honestly, like, if we can put something aftermarket, maybe just here but not covering the headers, then that would be best. So right now we're just looking for a extension to get this last little 10 out, and we'll pull the whole air box out, and we did this in what, 10 minutes? Yeah, so guys, this is very easy, and you shouldn't mess this up in any way. All right guys, it did rain. We got a little wet. But right now Anthony is going to go ahead and he is mounting the Injen intake, the end of it, to the throttle body. And basically after that, you just want to tighten the clamps on and you should be good. I think like just like that. I think like that's the right. Honestly, bro, I think that's as good as it's gonna get.
All right. Connecting the sensor, we bolted it down here, connecting this hose, and connecting the last hose over there.
It was pretty easy to install. Me and Anthony did this whole install in probably 45 minutes. So right now he's just slapping the intake on the end of it, and he's going to tighten down the clamp, and we're going to give the car a start up and just see how it sounds and the sound difference. So
Okay, that's already good.
yeah, just tighten it down to where the clamp is on the metal and the...
You got the keys?
Oh yeah, okay guys, it's all ready to go. Got the keys. All right, start her up. This thing's gonna be loud. I gotta warn you guys. Okay guys, so right now we're gonna move my car and take Anthony's car on a little pole. We're going to see if we feel any type of power difference. Keep in mind it is raining, so Anthony could be spinning the whole time. So maybe we might have to shoot this in a different video.
Open